Beet juice is a nutrient-dense beverage that can offer various health benefits when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Here are 9 powerful things that can happen to your body when you drink beet juice. 1. Improved athletic performance. Beet juice is rich in nitrates, which can improve exercise endurance and performance by enhancing oxygen delivery to muscles, reducing the oxygen cost of exercise, and increasing stamina. 2. Lower blood pressure. The nitrates in beet juice can help relax and dilate blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and potentially lowering blood pressure. 2. This effect may be beneficial for those with hypertension. 3. Enhanced heart health. Beet juice's nitrate content may promote cardiovascular health by improving blood vessel function, reducing inflammation, and supporting healthy blood pressure levels. 4. Increased nitric oxide production. Nitrates in beet juice are converted into nitric oxide in the body, a molecule that plays a crucial role in vasodilation and overall cardiovascular health. 5. Improved cognitive function. Some studies suggest that beet juice may enhance cognitive function and blood flow to the brain due to its nitrate content, potentially benefiting brain health. 6. Digestive Health Support. Beet juice is a good source of fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. 6. Additionally, it contains antioxidants that may help protect against digestive system damage. 7. Detoxification Support. The betalains in beet juice have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may support the body's natural detoxification processes and protect against oxidative stress. 8. Potential anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants and betalains in beet juice may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting those with chronic inflammatory conditions. 9. Nutrient boost. Beet juice is rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as potassium and iron. 9. Consuming beet juice can contribute to meeting your daily nutrient requirements. It's important to note that while beet juice offers numerous health benefits, it is also relatively high in natural sugars. Individuals with diabetes or those watching their blood sugar levels should consume it in moderation and consider the overall composition of their diet. As with any significant dietary changes or health concerns, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine how beet juice can fit into your specific health goals and needs. Additionally, those prone to kidney stones should moderate their beet intake due to the vegetable's oxalate content.